Guys, so I'm Stuart from SAB Leadworks. Today I've been sent to a job to do some hips and ridge, and I've been told front apron. So let's see what we got to do, shall we? Well, looks like that's going to be the front aprons around the chimney there. Shame we haven't finished building it. What else we got? So someone's done an expansion joint gutter in here. Quite a lot of it, to be fair. Right. And you can see here's the hips that we've got to run up there, one there, come through here. Got another hip there to run up. Right, okay, bit of ridge there, bit of ridge there. Right, so at the minute, lead's on the floor. I think the first thing we're going to do is get all the gear up here. Probably start making up the bits. Go from there, catch you in a bit. Right, so once you've got your lead to this stage, what I've done basically here is 450 wide lead, so I've marked the centre of that, which is 225. But then I've marked 50mm each side of that centre mark, and I've bent that up. And that's basically so that it'll fold round the roll. So once you've knocked up all your sides like that, what I do next is I screw a wood roll to the scaffold board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these bits of lead on that wood roll, line the central marks up with the centre of the wood roll, and literally just bend it down over the side of the roll and set it in on both sides. Okay, so this is one that I've knocked up here, and as you can see, I've knocked it all up on the flat. It makes it so much easier to do it like this and then transfer it to the roof. There's not so much stressing in position. There's some more here that I've knocked up, all ready to go. And I did actually oil this. Always oil these on both sides, especially on the slate roof. But as this is the UK, the rain has come, so I haven't had a chance to oil these other ones yet. So what I'm going to do is put them to one side, let them dry off. Once they're dry, I'll oil them on both sides. While I'm waiting for that to happen, what I'm going to do now is get some roof batten, run up these hips to get the right height. Once that's done, I'm going to get all my clips, nail them into position. Then I'm going to get the wood rolls and screw them down, and then we'll catch you guys in a bit once I've done that. So we've just finished now nailing all the lead clips on, stainless steel and copper clips, and I've just screwed all the wood roll into place now. What I've done to get this straight line is I screwed that in there, and I just ran a line from point to point, and that made sure the rest of the roll was going to be all straight. We've done the same with this section here. We've got a mitre there where they all meet, and that's all down the hip there, and the same on that side. So now that's all ready to install the lead.